Whether it's your first cruise or your 15th, there are some things that just don't fly in a cruise cabin. And I don't mean little pet peeves. I mean serious stuff. Some of these missteps can cost you extra fees. Others can get you written up by security. And yes, a few can get you kicked off the ship entirely. So in today's video, we're going through everything you should never do in your stateroom. From surprising safety hazards to easy-to-miss etiquette mistakes. Stick around to the end for the one cabin error people regret the moment they leave the ship. Let's get into it. And if you find this helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Here's a cruise rookie move that happens all the time. You open the fridge, see a couple fancy bottles of water, and assume they're free. Especially if you bought the unlimited drink package. But nope, most of those minibar items, they are not included, even if you shelled out for the premium plan. I've seen folks get hit with $6 or $8 charges per bottle of water. Multiply that by a few drinks over a week. It adds up fast. Best move? Ask your steward to remove the minibar items completely. That way, no one in your party grabs them by mistake. No smoking means no smoking. Cigarettes, cigars, marijuana, even e-cigarettes and vapes. All of it is banned inside cruise ship cabins. Even if it's legal back home, cruise ships follow federal and maritime law. And most lines take this very seriously. Smoking indoors can trigger alarms, damage furniture, and make future guests uncomfortable. You might get a warning, or you might find yourself packing early. Designated outdoor areas are your only safe bet. Your private balcony might feel like a safe zone, but lighting up out there is still against the rules on most cruise lines. Why? Because embers can blow onto other balconies, even into cabins. And fire on a ship is every captain's nightmare. A few European lines allow balcony smoking, but for North American lines like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, or Princess, don't risk it. And just to clear it up, yes, vaping is banned too. It's treated the same as traditional smoking. Planning to jazz up your cabin for a birthday or anniversary? Be careful how you do it. Those little over-the-door organizers, they might scuff up the bathroom or closet doors. Some cruise lines, like Disney, ban them entirely. And adhesives like duct tape or stickers? Bad idea. They can damage paint or finish. Use magnetic hooks instead. Cruise walls are often metal. Or command strips labeled damage-free. Decorate responsibly and your wallet will thank you later. I get it. Those thick pool towels look tempting. But no, they're not freebies. Same goes for those plush robes or that fancy umbrella they loaned you in Alaska. Take them home and you'll likely see a charge on your final bill. If it's clearly marked as a gift, like a tote bag or branded slippers, go for it. Otherwise, leave it behind. If you're unsure, ask your cabin steward before packing anything into your suitcase. Here's one many cruisers learn the hard way. Don't open your balcony door and your main cabin door at the same time. It creates a powerful vacuum, and things will fly. Papers, hats, even doors. One passenger even lost part of their finger from a slamming door. Yes, that really happened. So if you need fresh air, shut the main door first. Your hands and belongings will be safer for it. We've all seen the stories, people falling overboard. But here's the truth, it doesn't just happen. Most overboard cases involve unsafe behavior, like sitting or climbing on balcony railings. Never perch on the edge, even for a photo. And don't let kids stand on furniture near the railing. Most balconies have a latch near the top of the door. Use it when kids are around. Safety isn't overreacting, it's smart. Your cabin attendant is cleaning rooms all day, sometimes 20 or more. They remember who's kind and who's not. So don't leave your room looking like a tornado hit. No one expects perfection, just basic courtesy. Tidy up your clothes, toss trash in the bin, and don't leave food sitting out. And when it comes to tipping, most lines include gratuities in your bill, but a few extra dollars handed over personally goes a long way. Your cabin comes with two simple signs. Do not disturb and make up room. Don't want anyone walking in while you're napping or showering? Use the Do Not Disturb tag. On the flip side, if you want your room cleaned, don't forget to flip the makeup room sign on early. Don't assume your steward knows your schedule. Communication is key. Don't pack an iron, don't pack a steamer, and definitely don't pack a surge-protected power strip. Why? Fire hazard. Ships have limited electrical systems and these devices can overload them. Need more plugs? Bring a non-surge power cube with USB and USB-C ports. Those are usually allowed. Have a CPAP machine? Notify your cruise line ahead of time. They'll provide a safe extension cord and distilled water. Trying to sneak banned items on board is a risk, and not worth it. You may use CBD for pain or sleep at home, but on a cruise ship, it's still illegal. Even gummies with no THC can land you in trouble. There have been cases of passengers getting banned for life. Don't assume TSA rules apply at sea. They don't. Leave it at home just to be safe. Cabin safes aren't huge, but they're enough. Use them for passports, credit cards, and jewelry. And here's a tip most people forget. Store prescription medications in the safe too. That way, they don't get mixed up with toiletries or dropped behind the sink. On disembarkation day, double-check that safe. You'd be surprised how many people leave their car keys behind. Cruise cabins are flammable, plain and simple. Even bringing candles or incense can get you flagged at security. Want to freshen up the room? Bring potpourri or a travel-sized air freshener. It's way safer, and your cabin mates will thank you. Cruise ship plumbing isn't like home. Don't flush anything but the provided toilet paper. No tissues, no wipes, not even the ones labeled flushable. They clog the system and could flood your room, or someone else's. Need a sharps container for medical waste? Ask your steward. They'll provide one, no questions asked. Walls on a ship are thin, thinner than you think. So blasting music, yelling, or having a loud conversation late at night, that carries fast. The same goes for balcony noise. Keep your lights off after dark and your voice down. It's all about being considerate. Yes, it looks like a convenient hook. No, it is not one. Never hang clothes or anything from the sprinkler head. You risk flooding the cabin, and you could be on the hook for the damage. Use the shower line or bring magnetic clips instead. They're safe, cheap, and work great. Don't drape wet swimsuits or laundry over your balcony chairs or railings. They could blow overboard. Or worse, spark a fire if caught in electrical gear. Plus, it's against cruise policy. Use the in-shower line or a portable drying line hung with magnets. Before you step on that cruise ship, there are a few mistakes you can't afford to make. From banned items that will get confiscated, to surprising things you'll wish you packed when it's already too late. This video will save you space, money, and regret. Let me show you the 13 things to leave at home, and the 10 smart things you'll wish you brought. Cruise smarter, pack lighter, and avoid rookie mistakes every step of the way. Before you cram your suitcase with everything you think you might need, take a step back. Some of the most common cruise packing items aren't just unnecessary. They can actually cause problems, get confiscated, or cost you money. In this chapter, we're breaking down 13 things you should leave at home. What not to pack, and what to bring instead. To save space, avoid hassle, and cruise like a pro. Irons and steamers. Don't even think about tossing an iron or clothes steamer in your suitcase. They're major fire hazards and totally banned. Even if you're packing a dress shirt or formal gown, you'll need to use alternatives. What to do instead? Most cruise cabins don't have irons, but some ships offer a small self-service laundry area with one. If not, hang clothes immediately when you unpack, spritz with wrinkle release spray, and hang them in the bathroom while you shower. The steam works wonders. Coffee makers and kettles. You might love your morning cup of joe in your own mug, but appliances like coffee makers and kettles are banned on board. Here's the hack. Most cruise lines offer complimentary room service, at least for basic continental breakfast with coffee or tea. Or just head up to the buffet for fresh brewed coffee and ocean views. Some luxury lines even deliver a French press to your room. Worth checking. Beach towels. They're big, bulky, and take up too much space. Leave them at home. Every cruise line provides towels at the pool, and you can take them with you on excursions. Just remember, you're responsible for returning them. If you forget your towel on the beach, expect a $20 to $25 charge on your onboard account. Extra hangers. Some first-time cruisers swear by bringing hangers, but it's usually unnecessary. Most cabins come with 20 to 25 hangers already. Need more? Ask your room steward on day one. They'll happily bring extras, often the laundry-style wire ones, but totally functional. Toiletries, sort of. Cruise cabins come stocked with basic toiletries, shampoo, body wash, soap, but these are often 2-in-1 combos that might not work for your hair or skin. If you're picky about products, or use specialty items, bring your own full-size bottles. Bonus tip. Ask your hairstylist for small samples of conditioner or hair masks to battle the drying effects of salt water and chlorine. Hard liquor. Trying to sneak in vodka or whiskey? Cruise lines have cracked down hard. They will scan your bags and might invite you to the so-called naughty room where they confiscate your bottle. Stick with what's allowed. Most cruises permit 1 bottle of wine per adult, which can save money compared to onboard pricing. You can also look into a beverage package if you plan to enjoy a few drinks each day. Candles or incense. Even something as innocent as a scented candle can trigger fire alarms or worse. A cabin evacuation. A real story? A fellow cruiser once reported a neighbor burning incense. Security intervened immediately. Don't risk it. Pre-packed snacks. You're allowed to bring snacks, granola bars, chips, candy, but honestly, you won't need them. Cruise ships offer 24/7 food, including snack bars, buffets, and room service. Instead, bring a few Ziploc bags. Fill them with fruit, crackers, or cookies from the buffet to snack on later or take on excursions. Fresher and lighter than hauling a suitcase full of food. Expensive jewelry. If you love a little sparkle, go for it, but leave the heirlooms and high-value pieces at home. You'll still look amazing with $10 to $20 costume jewelry that won't ruin your trip if lost or stolen. Many cruise ports don't offer insurance coverage for theft, and even safes aren't foolproof. Hairdryer. Every cabin has one, but it's more hotel quality than salon grade. If your hair is high maintenance, bring your own compact travel dryer. And yes, you can bring your own straightener or curling wand. Too many clothes and shoes. Let's be real. Most people wear the same 3 to 4 outfits on repeat. Plan ahead. 2 formal night outfits, 3 to 5 casual dinners, swimwear and activewear. Write it all down. A simple cruise outfit planner can save you tons of space and back pain. Shoes? Max out at 3 pairs, formal, casual, walking. Surge-protected power strips. Cruise lines confiscate these due to fire risk. Instead, pack a cruise-approved power bar with multiple USB ports and no surge protection. A must for charging phones, tablets, Kindles, and more. Plastic water bottles. Many cruise lines now ban plastic water cases. They're heavy, bulky, and environmentally unfriendly. Use a refillable water bottle instead. You can refill it at the buffet or bars. Just don't put it directly under the dispenser. Use a clean cup to transfer. 10 smart things to bring instead. Now that we've cleared out what not to bring, let's talk about the things you'll actually use. The smart, practical items that can make your cruise way more comfortable and stress-free. These are the 10 cruise essentials that seasoned travelers swear by. And trust me, you'll want every single one in your bag. Refillable water bottle. Lightweight, spill-proof, and easy to carry on excursions. Look for insulated options to keep your drink cold even on hot port days. Non-surge power bar with USB ports. Cruise cabins are notorious for having just 1 or 2 outlets. A compact power cube or cruise-approved power strip will keep all your devices charged and ready. Backpack or large beach tote. Use it for port days. Sunscreen, towels, water bottles, souvenirs. Make sure it has a zip top and is sand-resistant. Bonus fits under your airplane seat as a personal item too. Sunscreen, after-sun aloe, and lip balm. Sunburn is the #1 preventable cruise mistake. Pack reef-safe sunscreen, soothing aloe gel for after-sun care, and SPF lip balm. Lips burn too. Poo-pourri spray. Cruise bathrooms are tiny. This spray keeps your cabin and your cabin mate happy. Ziploc bags, multiple sizes, for everything. Snacks from the buffet, wet swimsuits, electronics protection on beach days. They weigh nothing but do everything. Small bills, like 1s and 5s, are perfect for a variety of situations on your trip. They're great for tipping porters on embarkation day, shopping at markets in port, and giving small gratuities to tour guides. Bringing along $20 to $30 in small bills can be super handy. Carry-on bag for embarkation day. Your main suitcase might not arrive until late afternoon. So keep essentials in a carry-on: medications, swimwear, charger, and documents. Luggage tags, specifically reusable plastic ones. Printed paper tags tear easily. Grab a few reusable cruise tags online. They clip on securely and speed up port check-in. Comfortable shoes. Walking shoes are better than stylish shoes. Break them in before your cruise. Nothing ruins a perfect port day like painful blisters. There you go. 13 things to leave at home and 10 essentials to pack instead. If this helped you plan your cruise better, give it a quick like and subscribe for more cruise smart tips. Up next, what to wear on a cruise complete guide. You don't want to miss it if you're still planning outfits.